I have been working online for over 7 years, and there is one lesson that I learned the hard way, that if I understood it earlier, it will have saved me years of frustration. See, in every area of online work or online business, there is a lot of noise, and that noise is your biggest enemy. When I decided I want to start making money online, I just started looking for how to make money online on YouTube and Google without any direction. And I did came across a lot of things, a lot of ideas. And the problem with those ideas is most of the things that you are going to find on YouTube are going to show you things with unrealistic expectations. So if you watch how to start dropshipping, how to start print on demand, how to start blogging, you are going to start with unrealistic expectations, because they are going to show you you can do this within 7 days and make X amount of money. And that will make you start doing things and start jumping from one thing to another. You jump from this, you jump from that thing, because if you start doing this, then you realize, yeah, that is not going to work. You find another video that give you another unrealistic expectation. You thought, yeah, that might work, and you jump around, you go to it. That is your biggest enemy, that noise. If only people on YouTube are sharing real truth, like with no hype, just the real truth, then everything will have been easier. But unfortunately, that is not the case. Anyone who make videos, they want the videos to get views, so they are going to hype it. And that is a problem. And that, understanding this, is going to save you a lot of years of frustration. The advice and all the ideas that you are going to find on YouTube, most of them, majority of them, are going to be packaged in an unrealistic way. And if you understand this, then you are going to have a right approach to any type of online work or online business, and this will save you a lot of frustration. I will tell you one advice. If you really want to succeed in any online work or any online business, have a clear goal of what you want to achieve. Don't worry so much about the route that you follow to get there, but just have a clear goal of what you want to achieve. I will give you another example. When I decided I want to start making money online, I decided because I needed to make extra income. And so my goal was just to make extra income outside of my job. Just extra income. Didn't care how much. And for that reason, I jumped from one thing to another, just looking for something that is going to give me some extra income. And I follow advice that showed me how to do something that will make me one-off income. And I wasted a lot of my time and energy chasing something that is not going to be sustainable. And I succeeded when I really sit down and think about it and decided I need something sustainable, something that can replace my salary, something that can replace my full-time job. I made that my goal, and then I decided to look for a route, a way that I can follow to reach that goal. And having that goal as my compass is what really helped me fight all that noise. Because when I find freelancing, I figured freelancing can really work. I know freelancing can take me to that destination that I want to go to. That helped me avoid all of the noise, and I just focus on that route until it took me there. So if you really want to succeed in any type of online work or any type of online business, understand that all the noise that you are going to find online is your biggest enemy. Have a clear vision of what you want to achieve, a clear vision of your goal, and then choose a route that you know it can realistically take you to that place. I will give you another example. If you decide you want to make, let's say, X amount of money every month, that is your goal, you have the number in your mind, but you decided, okay, I see if I started drop shipping, I do this and that, by the end of the week I will be able to sell X number of quantity of product every month. And you know for certain the number of product that you sell is out of your control, and you have to sell X amount of product before you reach that income goal every month consistently. The route is probably unrealistic, because there is nothing you can do to contribute to getting there. If you run ads, if you spend a lot of money in ads, then it is going to take away from your profit. Same thing applies to some unrealistic investment. I see many people invest in crypto, invest in many things that aren't even really investment. And those are things that there is nothing you can do to make it work. You are just going to hope that it works. And if you can only hope it works, then you don't really have a real plan. So have a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Have the route, a realistic route that you know over time, if you follow that route, it will take you there. And that is what will help you succeed in the online world. If you listen to all the noise, all the distractions on YouTube and Google using AI, that is going to stop you from getting anything. It will stop you from going anywhere. If you find this video helpful, YouTube think you are going to find this one helpful also. Thank you for being here. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.